Hello. Here we learn about the features of planetary winds. The winds tend to blow from high pressure belt to low pressure belt. The planetary winds blow from subtropical high pressure to equatorial low pressure belt and from subtropical high pressure to subpolar low pressure belt, and from polar high pressure belt to subpolar low pressure belt. Due to Coriolis effect, we find the direction of winds are deflected. In the northern hemisphere, winds are deflected towards their right, and in the southern hemisphere to their left. And this is known as Ferrel's law of deflection. The Coriolis effect is absent in equatorial region, but it increases progressively towards the poles. Coriolis effect, apparent curvature of global winds and ocean currents. Winds blowing from subtropical high pressure belt in the northern hemisphere towards the equatorial low become northeast. They are called trade winds, northeast trade winds. And in the southern hemisphere, we find it as southeast trade winds. Why are they called trade winds? They are the most regular winds of planetary winds. They blow with great force and in a constant direction. They were useful for the early traders who depended on the wind when sailing the high seas, because they were using sailing ships. Since the winds helped the sailors, the winds came to be. The trade winds blow from cooler subtropical latitudes to warmer tropics. They have greater capacity to holding moisture. So in their passage on its way, whenever they come across the open oceans, they collect more moisture and bring heavy rainfall to the east coast of the continents, which lie within the tropics. Whereas if you look at the western parts of the continents lying in the tropics, you find hot deserts, because these winds become dry by the time they reach the western parts of the continent. So there is no moisture, so they don't bring rainfall. Those parts remain desert. Example, Sagara, Kalahari, Atacama, Great Australian deserts. Northeast and southeast trade winds. We can see the deflection in their direction. In the center, you find that is equatorial low pressure belt, intertropical convergence zone, ITCZ. The trade winds in the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, that is northeast trade and southeast trades, they converge here, they meet here.